Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable biometrics on Skrill application using your mobile device. If you want to enable biometrics or Face ID, then it will add a strong layer of protection to your mobile wallet. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Skrill application on your device. And then once you're inside the home page of Skrill after logging in, click on your profile icon at the top left corner. This will bring up your profile section where you need to click on the toggle button right next to login with biometrics. If you are using iPhone, then you'll get to enable Face ID. If you are using Android, you can easily enable the biometrics. So simply toggle on the button, and then since I'm using my iPhone, it is asking me to enable Face ID. If you're using Android, it'll ask you to enter a biometric pin. Simply tap on the enable button at the bottom, and then first make sure to enter your pin for your wallet. And next time you open up your app, it'll ask you if you'd like to allow Face ID or biometrics. Click on allow, and there you go. You don't even have to type in the PIN code. All you can do is to scan your fingerprint or Face ID and you'll be good to go. So that's how you easily enable Face ID or biometrics on Skrill using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.